Alright guys, I'd like to introduce you, if you haven't been introduced, to my truck. This is a 2015 Ford F150 XLT. I got it with 78,000 miles on it. It's got 118,000 miles on it now. The reason I got it instead of one with a lower mileage one is it's hard to find one with a 6.5 foot bed, crew cab, and in this caribou brown color. This guy didn't want the 5.5 foot bed, which most of these are in. He wanted the 6.5 foot bed. So when this came in, I knew I had to have this truck. It was traded in, and then the guy was an independent contractor, and he wanted to get out of this and move into like something like a Ford Edge, so it was easier on his legs. Getting older. I had some questions asked about what I've done to it so far. I don't know, these are just a cheap set of headlights that were pretty decent. I found them on Amazon for like 240 bucks. I can link them, or I can tell you guys about them if you want. The bumpers from a company called Mr. GOP. They typically deal with shops. They have like shop accounts and stuff like that that you can order parts and stuff from. They don't deal directly with the consumer. They wanted me to do a review on this bumper. I still haven't found the fog lights that I need for it yet. But again, it's MRGOP. And you can go on there and check out their different bumpers and stuff like that. It didn't even show this bumper was available. I had to do some modifications. It's an aftermarket grille that's in it. The American flag in the front for the Ford emblem. I had to cut out the corner right here to get the bumper to fit under. The bumper was sitting too far forward, and I wanted it tucked back in there nice and clean. So I trimmed what I needed to trim out to get it in there. Same thing on this corner right here. It's got 18,000 pound tow hooks on it. It's got a 12,000 pound Harbor Freight winch in it. What else? The rims and tires are from a 2020 Platinum. I got to get them polished and done up. The tires are the new RT Wranglers from Goodyear. I just today got the new max speeding rods, upper control arm, and the Freedom off-road shocks put in. So that's pretty nice. That is a replaceable ball joint inside this cover right here with a grease zerk, and each one of these have a grease zerk on the bottom so you can lubricate the polyurethane bushings. These running boards are a little bit wider and stick out just a hair more than factory. These running boards were from a company online. I don't remember the name. I've got a video on my YouTube channel. So the running boards are different. Oh yeah, by this company here. Yita Motors. So I got the bifold. No, it's a quad fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's a quad fold bed cover. I put that on there. Those were only like, I don't know, they're like 200 bucks for the running boards, maybe not even 150 bucks. The bed cover's only like 120, 140 bucks on their website. It's got drilled and slotted power stop rotors. I've had them on there for about 2.5 years now. Still got about 40% pad life. What else have I got done to it? I put these goofy tail lights on. I wish I would have never done that. They stick out like the newer F-150 electric ones do. I don't really like that. It has long tube headers. So if you look back there, it's got a long tube, stainless works long tube headers that come down here. They go over and they meet and they go back into the factory exhaust system, so it's not obnoxiously loud. What else have I done to this truck? Those struts have a 2-inch level built into them, so you don't have to have level spacers. I put a nicer XLT cluster in it. This cluster did not come with this truck. I put it in here and programmed everything. I put a Tesla style radio screen in the center console. I'm running last fit floor mats right now. These are just leather seat covers over my cloth seat covers. That's all they are. I added a power bank in back here, so whenever I have the truck running, they can there's more charge ports and stuff. I cut out that hole and moved the charge port and stuff back there and that. So there's a couple USBs. There's you can look at DC voltage output, and then there's a cigarette port output, just so more people can use what's available in the back. And then with my tailgate, I put the pistons on it, the slow open pistons. It's on this side. Yeah, it's a piston that's inside there, goes back in this channel, and it slowly lets the tailgate down instead of slamming down. Yeah, for the most part, that's pretty much it. I don't think I forgot anything. I haven't went too crazy with the truck. Yeah, that's it. That's what I've got done to the truck. I hope that answers your questions. Thank you.